So when I finished high school, I didn't exactly know what I wanted to do. So I didn't rush to college right away. Figured I would take a year or two or a few. I started working at a computer repair shop. It was like a first full-time kind of adult job. And I was like, that seems like a good opportunity to get into something. It's definitely very challenging because I didn't know really anything about computers or how to sell them, how to explain what they do, how to diagnose them. But you do learn as you go along, and you learn like what the hardware actually does, and you kind of catch on to it. And I started getting a knack for it, and it all made sense. Unfortunately, it was a couple years into working at the computer shop where I realized that I had plateaued and there's really no going up from where I was. Plus, there were things about the job that I really just didn't like. So I started looking at different options. So I started searching whenever I had a free moment and found NAIT's Computer Networking Admin program. The program wasn't exactly what I expected it to be. I went into it realizing how little I knew about computers and what people do with their server environments and firewalls and how networking actually works. Like it was hard because it's all new concepts, but the instructors were always very helpful. And if you had any questions or any concerns or you weren't sure about anything, everybody was very helpful in making sure you understand what you needed to know. So it was challenging, but that did not last long. Before long, I was learning a lot and making a lot of new friends and making quite a bit of progress in the program. We did a lot of group projects where you had to work hand in hand, and that helped with a lot of like reinforcing the knowledge that you were learning and also being able to just like kind of work soundly with your peers. There was a lot of concepts when I first started the program that I wasn't really aware of. So being able to take the course and learn them and be able to apply them in the job that I'm working with now is incredible. I've been in industry about almost 4 years now, and I'm already a tier 2 technician with so much experience, and I honestly don't know where I'd be without taking the program I took at NAIT.